So do you know what this bridge is? The plan today is to go across a tidal road at Sunderland Point and then make my way up to Heysham and passing the Heysham Nuclear Reactor. Wait, hey, fun, eh? Why does every delivery driver have an electric fat bike? They're all whizzing round on full throttle, and here's me legal. What do you call a bit of land that sticks out? Is it a promontory? Promontory? I can't think of the word. Sunderland and Overton. This is the way. So this tidal road just goes across the mud flats. Now, the tide should be nowhere near in, but it can come in and catch people out. There's some scary pictures of people being helicoptered out of their cars. They're weird, these places, aren't they? It's only for the fact that I've just gone past a pub. Makes it feel like civilization. Morning, cowsies. Having a good one, are we? Oh, you heard me? I can see the reactor just there. Not a place to fly a drone, I'd say. I don't know where they're going. Maybe somebody goes to Lancaster? A promontory, that's it. That's what it's called, a promontory. Still could be wrong on that. Overton, it's one of those nondescript middle of nowhere towns. Ship hotel and the double-decker den. Well, this little bit's delightful, isn't it? With a lovely view of the nuclear reactor in the distance. We're approaching the tidal path. Next to the globe, road liable to tidal flooding. Max speed 20, I can only do 15. Yeah, it's typical tidal path, at least it's dry. Do not proceed when these two posts are in water. It looks like I'm going to be okay. Oh my god, it's almost disgusting, isn't it? It's so bloody muddy. Uh-oh, swan in the road. Am I going to get my arm broken? I don't want no trouble, mister. It's alright. It's alright, the next place sticks out into the sea at the end of the River Loon. I think there might be a path around the outside of it, I'm not sure. But I'll just wave to everyone. See if they throw me off. It's like something after there's been a lava slide in Mexico or something. Jesus, how far would you get out there? That must be 50 foot deep, that mud. Okay, back into civilization. There's a few boats. This has got a proper sea feel to it. Feel like I'm back down in Devon. Another tidal road. The water level can cover this sign. Oh my god, that's not good. Access for residents only. Yeah, I'm not going to ride around there just for the sake of it. It's their bit of private land. Oh dear. Sunderland Point could be completely cut off from Overton at high tide. And I hope you can't read it, but over there I'm going to visit somewhere called someone's grave, and I don't even want to say the word on YouTube. This public toilet has been twinned. That's a new one for me. It's okay, I can't go past this sign. That's only to stop people driving their cars. I'm going to get to the Bridleways. This is proper on the edge of this place, isn't it? Actually, it must get pretty scary. Look at the speed the tide's coming in as well. Well, I've just seen a cyclist, so things are looking good. Here we go. And here's the name I wouldn't say. Yeah, I know. This is a bridleway. Goes to the other side of the island. And to, I'm going to say it because it's a name. It's called, well, this gorgeous looking path should take me to the other coast, and then I can work up the coast to the nuclear reactor. I know. Hoping I can ride along here. I think I can because there's someone walking it. Sambo's grave. Can you get in here? Whoa. Oh, I see. It's one of those pinhole cameras. I don't know if you can make that out, but I can see outside quite clearly. Maybe the GoPro won't pick it up. How cool is that? Folks who are locally said, you'll have no problem getting to that. with those wheels on. A bit off-roady, I'll have to say. Bit of an old boat there. Oh, that's desolate looking over there, isn't it? Okay, I'm not sure where I am now. I'm going out towards the sea, which is a bit worrying. I can see the reactor there. I mean, it looks like I could possibly go along that, but I'd rather not if I've got to come all the way back when I find a river in my way. This is going to be nasty, I can see it. I'm not riding for miles over rubble. Well, you know, it's different, isn't it? The paint job on the reactor, they're trying to make it look more friendly or something. People sunbathing in front of the caravans are giving me a weird look. No, I'm going to meet a dead end here and have to go all the way back. That guy wasn't wrong, I have got the tyres for the job. Sure about this now. I mean, just there could be anything. There's an actual sea wall there that I have to go in front of, and the tide is coming in. So I'm going to go back through that caravan park. Cheeky. Oh, that was the wrong way. Let's try another way. Hi kids. Here we go. Found the way out. Shorefields Caravan Park. Very nice. Still see it over there, so I'm going the right way. Bloody hell, this place is a bit posh. Middleton Towers. I've had a look at a few paths, but it's all a bit marshy around here. Police warning, no off-road motorbikes or quad bikes. Oh, Jesus. It probably won't be much, but it's worth a try. But God loves a trier. Oh my God. Don't panic, I'm used to this sort of stuff. Looking good. Heysham Business Park. Wants me to go this way. Well, that's bollocks, isn't it? Come on, Google Maps, sort yourself out. Well, this is taking me well off the path, but you know, I'm just going to have to run with it. I've got a feeling that Google Maps is just going to keep taking me to dead ends. Yeah, and that just goes back to where I was stuck before. Right then, I'm coming into Heysham Port. Oh, by the way, if you didn't know, this is where the Isle of Man ferry leaves from, as well as Liverpool. Just going to see if I'm going to get knocked back here. I don't know what ferry that is. This is private property, and if you proceed beyond this point, you are regarded as a trespasser. Spotted a cyclist. I'm going to follow him. I'm going to ask them in here. Should be fun. Just always try to be cheeky. They used to let people down there, but it's all restricted now. Obviously because of terrorism, I presume. It is a nuclear reactor. High trust society, we're losing it. Can't even leave a nuclear reactor open to the public anymore. I guess that's Cumbria over there. Maybe some of the Lake District, I'm not sure. Oh wow, there's a beach. Nice day for it. Not sure what they are, but you know, different. Good old Heysham, eh? First time I've ever been in my life. Well, isn't this beautiful? Oh, the shade in here is gorgeous. Ice creams. Let's go for an ice cream. Can't argue with that, can you? This is the life. We'll nip down to the beach. Oh, chased all the birds away. Practically straight from where I was at Morecambe back to where the van's parked along a lovely cycle path. Can't argue with that. Back over the Millennium Bridge. It's a hell of a thing, isn't it? What's that about then? Now where the hell did I park the van? Parked it right next to an e-bike shop. How cool is that? Cycle hire. Amflow stocked here? No they've got the Amflow? Lovely day out. Made a few mistakes, went to the wrong places. It's worth going to Sunderland Point and actually walking around it. There's lots of things to see. Very nice place. I'm glad I didn't ride towards the reactor, because possibly sneaking up along the coast, seeing as how conscious they are of security, might not have gone well for me. Thanks for watching. Next video is going to be the new bike.